Hey guys, welcome back to So Rachel-istic. Today I will be making an ice cream folding surprise. This is super easy to make, so let's get started. And this is a bit cool. So this is how the ice cream is going to look like, what we're gonna make. So first it's gonna look like this, and when you open it, it becomes so many. So to start, we're going to fold it in half. So after we folded it in half, we're going to fold one side back, and then we're going to fold the other side back, and then unfold the side you just folded. So it should look like this now. So let's start drawing. So what we first do is on the top half, just draw a curve like you would for an ice cream, and then underneath on the other part of the fold, just draw your curves, and then just draw the cone. And then you can add any decorations on it if you want. And then I'm going to draw a little face on this. So, to get to the folding part, or to the part where you open it and you get multiple ice creams, you are going to you have to go in these two folds. You can't go in the top or bottom fold. So then we draw the cone, then we draw the scoop, and then we keep on drawing on top of it, and then keep on going until you reach the top, and then underneath, and then in the final ice cream, just draw the curved part on the bottom. And then this is the part where we have, and then I'm gonna just draw some faces on these. An angry ice cream. And then a sleepy ice cream. And then you can do whatever you want on your ice cream. And then so I'll draw my decorations and show you when it's time to start coloring. I'm gonna start coloring and then show you after I color a little more. And you can color it however you want. You don't have to color it like what I'm doing right now. I'm just drawing lines. Just so that you adore. Totally. Ready. So now for the big reveal that all of you have been waiting for. So first, this is the strawberry ice cream, and the big reveal that all of you have been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Voila! So these are the ice creams that are hidden inside of the folding surprise. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.